Hey, this is Chelsea from AHA. Let's check out a quick way to keep our wireframes neat. So anytime we need to add a new field, we don't have to nudge spacing or adjust for realignment, which is super annoying. Now we can use the new auto layout feature in AHA Whiteboards. Okay, so let's say we're mocking up a new design, like this sign-up screen for an app we're working on. We're jamming in AHA Whiteboards. We pulled in the mobile phone wireframe from our component library, pulled in all these relevant fields to show user flow, just have that last name left to pop in. Oh, bummer. This is going to take some time, so I got to readjust a bunch of these fields to get it to fit. I don't want to do that. I am just going to select my frame, click the new auto layout option in our toolbar, click center alignment and vertical layout, and now pops right in. It is super simple. I'm going to put it under first name because that makes sense. And that's it. It is so easy to do. It is a small feature, but it is a real time saver. Here's my hot tip. Go into a whiteboard full of scattered stickies. We all have them. Use auto layout to watch them snap into place. It is super satisfying. Enjoy.